In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have rounded corners on videos. If you're going for a polished, modern look, rounding the corners of your footage is a simple way to soften the frame and make your edit feel more intentional. The best part is that it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening your project and making sure the video you want to edit is selected. Click the clip in your timeline or directly on the canvas so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see the usual on-screen handles or an outline around the clip. This step matters because the rounding adjustment only applies to whatever is currently selected. Now move your eyes to the toolbar at the top of your editing window. You're looking for the curved line icon, the control for corner rounding. Depending on your software, it may look like a rounded rectangle or a corner with a curve. Hovering over it often reveals a label like corner rounding or radius, which confirms you're in the right place. Once you've found it, click the icon to reveal the rounding control, then adjust the slider. Dragging the slider to the right increases the intensity, giving you more pronounced, rounded corners. Dragging to the left reduces it for a softer, more subtle effect. As you move the slider, watch your preview update in real time. A small amount of rounding keeps things elegant and unobtrusive, while a high value creates a bold, pill-shaped edge that can be great for stylized layouts. Keep an eye on anything important near the edges of your frame. Heavy rounding can clip elements like captions or logos if they're too close to the corner, so nudge your content inward before you commit to a strong radius. If you see a black or checkerboard pattern appear outside the corners, that simply means those areas are transparent, exactly what you'd expect when the corners are rounded. If you're aiming for consistency across multiple clips, note the slider value you like so you can match it later. Most editors let you return to the same control at any time, so consider this a non-destructive adjustment that you can fine-tune as your design evolves. When the corners look right and your subject is safely framed, you're done. That's all it takes. Select your video, find the curved line icon in the top toolbar, and use the slider to set the exact amount of rounding you want. Simple, clean, and ready to share.